The DRDO's Aeronautical Development Agency had released a tender for 1:6, 1:10, 1:25 and 1:35 scale model of the Tejas MK2 fighter jet, and these scale models will be displayed at the upcoming Defense Expo 2022 on 10th March. Tender documents also reveal that the scaled model will also be mounted with its weapons package that has already been frozen in consultation with the Indian Air Force. The Tejas MK2 will focus more on the indigenous weapons, that includes BrahMos and G, Rudram-1 and Rudram-2 anti-radiation missile, smart anti-airfield weapon, Astra Mk1 and Astra Mk2, and will also get the French Scalp air-launched standoff missile, Israeli Crystal Maze and Spice 2000, and also the 70 km range Russian Kh-31A missile variant, which is an anti-ship missile designed to engage enemy ships with a displacement of 4,500 tons. A Bangalore-based private sector firm Mistral Solutions has developed a stealth drone, which is an invisible and inaudible military-grade stealth drone capable of evading radar systems and thwarting human detection, and is designed for cross-border surveillance. It is equipped with advanced electro-optical camera with 3-axis stabilization, 320p thermal camera, and 48x combined zoom on both visual and thermal camera. It has an endurance of 50 minutes and an autonomous flight range of up to 45 kilometers. The Ministry of Defence has signed a 1,075 crore rupees contract with Bharat Electronics Limited for retro-modification of Commander Site in 950 T90 main battle tanks. The DRDO and Bharat Electronics have jointly designed and developed this advanced mid-wave thermal image-based Commander Site that will now replace the existing image converter tube-based sight. The new Commander Site features a thermal imager that is capable of detecting targets at 8 km during day and night, and a laser range finder to find the ranges accurately up to 5 km, thereby enhancing the T90's capability to engage targets at long ranges. There were remote chances of US President Joe Biden's administration to sanction India under the CAATSA, but with the Russian military action in Ukraine, India needs to be ready to brace for CAATSA sanctions. Besides spares and supplies for existing Russian equipment, adverse sanctions by US and NATO countries could impact future deliveries of remaining S400 regiments and 4 advanced Talwar-class frigates that are designed to operate with the Ukrainian power plant, and payments are being made through European banking channels. The sanctions will not lead to the closure of any projects, but prolonged crisis could delay the plan to locally manufacture the AK-203 rifles, purchase of 12 Su-30 fighters, lease of another Akula submarine, and the export order of BrahMos missile by Philippines Navy. Pakistan Army is facing quality and reliability issues with the newly inducted Chinese VT-4 main battle tanks and SH-15 self-propelled artillery guns, as shortcomings were observed in post-delivery tests and field firing trials. China has temporarily halted the production of both the platforms, as investigations are underway to determine the reason for the faults. A US Navy P-8A multi-mission aircraft had arrived in Vizag last night to take part in the Milan 2022 multi-nation exercise hosted by the Indian Navy. The 9-day exercise has started from today and will also include anti-submarine warfare drills for the first time. More than 35 countries are participating in this exercise, and the main aim is to hone operational skills and share best practices and procedures.